Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 7.1 question number 2. Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. Here we are giving two real life examples for congruent shapes. Number 1 we can say as two footballs, two footballs, two footballs having same size, and shape. Another one we can write as Ncert two books of Ncert of class 7 of same subject of same subject. These are real life examples for congruent shapes. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.